Today's Friday the 13th. Superstitious? We won't be breaking any mirrors, but we might be summoning up a demon, seeing a cursed spot, and the unlucky number 13. We'll just get into the spirit of things today with 4 bike trails that interconnect with each other in the Washington, D.C. area. After all, superstitions are just rumors, and demons aren't real, right? Let's go riding! This is the Captial Crescent Trail, and it's a Friday morning, and there's a lot of traffic, which is quite surprising. The trail is made of asphalt, and so far it's very flat. Cool tunnel coming up. We're on the Captial Crescent, and there's the C&O Canal Trail down there. Crooked Bridge. If you look at it closely, the bridge is slightly crooked. It was actually assembled from 2 older bridges put together, and they didn't put it together properly. So you can see it's crooked.
Things you should not do on Friday the 13th.
Don't let a black cat cross your path.
Don't go under a ladder.
Don't step on a crack.
Don't break a mirror.
Okay, we're running parallel to the C&O Canal Trail. The rocks behind me, there's a legend. The legend says 3 daughters of a local Native American chief were marooned on these islands by the father. They had rejected the husbands that the father had chosen for them. The legend holds that the sisters cursed the spot, saying that if they could not cross the Potomac there, nobody could. That's an unlucky spot. What was the scariest movie of all time? The Exorcist. It was based on true events. And this is for movie buffs. Here are the Exorcist stairs. You'll likely recognize the site from the final showdown between where the self-sacrificing priest and the demon who possesses a 12-year-old girl. Some of it's asphalt, some of it's concrete brick. It's all along the Potomac River. Bad luck for 5 burglars who were caught with wiretapping equipment. Their intent was to bug the Democratic National Headquarters right here at the Watergate office. These burglars were connected to President Nixon, who took steps to cover up the crime.
I know of a much nicer hotel. It's brand new.
Sir, you might want to send a maintenance man over to that office across the way.
The curses of the Hope Diamond. The famous Hope Diamond now sits cozily in a cave at Natural History, which is right behind me. This is for the best because most everyone who has ever owned or worn the Hope Diamond has had misfortunes or tragedy. So we're not going to list all the previous owners and their misfortunes, but trust us, it's a long list. President Franklin D. Roosevelt would not travel on the 13th day of any month. He would never host 13 guests at a meal. Roof bumps. We're on a wooden bridge for a bit of the way. Very bumpy. Woo. This trail goes all along the Potomac River. Crossing the Key Bridge. Make that So a bit sandy in some spots. Looks like compact pea stones. Bit muddy after rain. It seems to be very flat, so no hills. Uh-oh. Oh no! We're exiting the C&O and going on the Crescent Trail right now. All right, more stairs. Oh, this looks very steep. Eek. But you know what? This is not as steep as the Exorcist stairs. Can she do it? Yes, Wonder Woman! Woo! Today we went to Maryland, Virginia, and Washington, D.C. We hit 4 interconnecting trails. Except the C&O, you would be okay with a road bike, but you can bypass the C&O by just continuing on the Captial Crescent Trail. So it might be a better idea to just stay in bed all day. This way you can avoid all the bad luck. Hope to see you riding.